my psychology is to first think is don't play with emotional and give to the market, let to the market something. Now the market is really crazy in the last 2 years. So when it's crazy, it's dangerous in one time, and at the same time is can have good opportunity.
Hi guys, welcome to another TFT interview. You guys said no more funded trader, no more funded trader interviews. People get funded all the time. Now we want payouts. So we got the payouts here. These are the people that are making the money. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, and turn on the bell for notifications. Okay, Stephano, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Tori.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So let everybody know kind of where you're from, how old you are, and what got you into trading.
So I come from Italy, exactly Milan, and I am 25 years old, near to 26 in 1 month. I was starting my trading after my football career because I was a professional football player. I was playing in Germany and then in London, in England.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, but for COVID, in the COVID time, I had a big problem. And so I have to come back to my family and I start to work. And then I start to hear about trading. And I start to learn, and I find these friends that have his firma. Is a company where they do trading system, and then I start to know how function this fantastic way that is trading, and then with YouTube channels I start to learn more. Then I hear about TFT on Instagram. Some friends send me like a reel or stories, and I try to think about. And at the same time, I understand that can be a great opportunity to learn because you can invest less money and you can have opportunity to have more money. So so it was like you can play with emotional, but in the same time you can make experience. So if you make a mistake, you don't lose so much money because a lot of people lose money with trading with the brokers. While with the proprietary trading is easy to learn and don't make a big mistake. I don't know if you understand, right? Mm-hmm. And nothing. Then I start and I saw that TFT was a really great how functioned the system, and then helped me so much to have my free financial life at the moment because I earn with the TFT with the funded account like 26,000 and dollars. Here we have euro. And was give me really a good opportunity to continue this activity that I like so much. I'm in love with trading, and that's all.
Excellent. First of all, I'm so excited. So you're the second professional athlete that I've got to talk to, and I get to share a little bit with you. So I used to be a sponsored athlete, and I actually used to race in Milan. They had this it's called Red Hook Crit. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's a cycling event.
Yes. Yes, I hear something about that.
Oh, okay. So I used to do that. Very cool. And then you used to do football. So this is a pretty excellent way to continue to do what you love, but like make money now since, COVID kind of stopped you from that.
Right.
So this is excellent. Very cool. I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you.
The way all the time I was in love with economy, with the trading, and every time I think it's too hard because I'm a player, I'm a football player. So I was like, I don't have time to learn. Then come COVID, and unfortunately, I stopped to play football. That was my job, and then I try this way, and I've luck now. I continue to learn. It's normal. Never stop working and learn more. But now it's going, so I'm so happy, and it's unbelievable. TFT helped me really much. I think 1 year ago it was impossible for me to find this way. Now I'm a bit a dream, if I can say, because not everyone do, and now it's possible for everyone.
I mean, first of all, so the fact that just a year ago you couldn't even imagine doing something like this. Congratulations on a $25,000 payout. First of all, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed.
Thank you so much.
So tell me a little bit about the strategy that you learned and kind of, did you take losses at first? How did you get to where you are now with the strategy?
Oh, so first thing, I do a bit discretional. So I make opportunity. I take the opportunity. For example, if I see my story trading, I never do exactly. I don't do trade every day because I'm not so professional that. Every day I feel it. I don't want to play with emotion because it's the first rule. And so I see about the opportunity. Now the market is really crazy in the last 2 years. So when it's crazy, it's dangerous and one time, and at the same time is can have good opportunity. So I follow every day how is the market, and then I play as in, I don't know if in English is right, is play versus the trend. So is yeah, okay. So when I see that the price is maybe is too high of the about this, I sell it, and when it's maybe too short, I buy it. And actually I do this and I use some strategy, but is discretion and strategy. So it's a bit. I'm learning. I'm going. Okay. I try to speak better I can. Is hard.
No, you're doing a great job. I'm following along very easily.
Okay,
so, any chance? Do you want to go ahead and share your screen and kind of show us the charts that you look at, the time frame, just an overview of kind of what it looks like on your day-to-day basis?
For example, now I want to show you if I can show you by my phone that I do trade. I open these trades and I'm plus 1,000. I don't know if you watch, if you see.
Yep, I can see it.
Yeah, and I saw that it was a good opportunity. So today I started again my trades, and it's unbelievable. So it's going. So. Yeah.
You can kind of just give an overview of, okay, so you were telling me that, you know, when the price has fallen pretty low, are there like lines of support and resistance, or is there like a term?
No, right. I put a certain line. I follow. I have a line, and I put maybe I can show like this. And for example,
you do a lot of your trades on your phone.
Yes. I like the line like this, and then when it's touching or go downstairs. Go down. I will buy it or sell it in the same time. Depends.
Okay. Then what pairs do you look at usually? Do you look at just one or multiple?
No. More. Every day. I don't do trade every day, but I watch every day more. Copy is like dollar, euro, dollar, and I watch all ones, and then I decide for me about if touching the line, and I go over the line. Then I say, okay, I open these sites. The sites is open is about how much time go down. I don't know if you understand. So if it's really it was down a lot, I open more sites, so bigger sites.
Yeah, no, that makes total sense. What's cool is the trading style that you're talking about specifically, I just posted a video. It's very similar. So there's just, you look for lines of support where the price tends to just bounce off of, and then lines of resistance where the price tends to
Right. Yes, that's right.
It's a very simple strategy. So my next question is, what is some advice that you have for traders who are just now getting into it, or maybe they're new? What's just some advice that you have for traders in general?
In general, for traders, I think is the really great idea if they want to invest money. They don't invest alone, but maybe with a proprietary trading, because it's really a great opportunity to don't lose much money if they make mistake, because in the start it's normal that you don't have the experience to do everything is good. Okay, and so is the best is maybe to start invest little money and try to take your funded account, and so you have days, so you understand how much you have not. So it's a great idea to start like this, so you can play with emotion, understand what is your mistake, and you don't lose much money. This is the first thing. Then continue to learn and follow updates about traders, famous trader, and or TFT that give a lot of opportunity. For example, some non-social media meetings on Discord and something like that, and that's it, or YouTube. And this is really great. I watch a lot of videos about TFT on YouTube, and it's really if you want to start, is the best. Really, is a great idea.
Awesome. If I had known about, so I had been trading for 7 years, so my time is much longer than yours. But if I had done what you did and started with prop firms, I'd be so much more far along. It's great advice.
That's way. It's true. For example, you was starting 7 years ago, and I didn't know if a props firm was they stayed 7 years ago.
Not quite.
I think it's like about 4 years. Is they are open for everyone, for retails. I mean, but yes, now is this opportunity is a big opportunity. Is why don't try? I think is the best, and a lot of people like do trading, and can be opportunity for yourself, or be a free with your economy.
Yeah.
I mean, so that is good opportunity, and
I agree completely. All right, Stephano, to end it off, what is just your last bit of advice for psychology? Just taking losses, blowing accounts. What's a little bit of advice?
My psychology is to first thing is don't play with emotional, and give to the market, let to the market something. Don't be too much. I want. I don't know how to explain. And so when you have a good result, and you think that you can have more, maybe there is a point where you have to close and take a loss and be happy.
Be happy.
If I can speak Italian, it was more easy to explain everything.
I understand. Maybe next time we'll find somebody that can have a good conversation with you.
Right.
But this was great, and I understood almost 98% of everything. So you did a great job. Excellent explaining.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was very efficient. Thank you, Stephano. I'm gonna be honest though, I'm very impressed. You're 1 year of learning. You got a $25,000 payout, a very simple strategy. You're on the right track.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for taking the time today. Bye, Stephano.
Bye.